Ever lost important files and didn't know how to recover them? It's a nightmare scenario that can happen to anyone. But fear not, because there are solutions out there that can help you retrieve your precious data. Here we'll go through some of the best file recovery software for both Windows and Mac operating systems. First up, we have Retrieval. This is a popular and user-friendly file recovery tool for Windows. It can restore deleted files from a variety of storage devices, including hard drives, USB sticks, memory cards, and more. Simply download and install the software, select the drive you want to scan, and let Retrieval work its magic. It will find and recover your lost files in no time. Next, we have EASUS Data Recovery Wizard. This comprehensive software for Windows also recovers lost data from a variety of scenarios, including deleted, formatted, or inaccessible data. Just like Retrieval, download and install the software, select the drive to scan, and wait for the software to find your lost files. Then select the files you want to recover and click Recover. Moving on, we have Stellar Data Recovery. This robust data recovery solution for Windows comes with a user-friendly interface, and it can recover data from various storage, media, and file systems. The process is similar to the previous software: download, install, select the drive, scan, and recover. Now let's talk about Disk Drill. This is a versatile data recovery tool that works on both Windows and Mac. It offers features like data protection and recovery from a variety of file systems. To use Disk Drill, simply download and install the software, select the drive to scan, wait for Disk Drill to find the lost files, select the files and click Recover. Last but not least, we have Mini-Tool Power Data Recovery, a recovery tool designed for both Windows and Mac users. It's designed to recover files from various data loss situations. The steps are the same as with the other software: download, install, select the drive, scan and recover. In summary, losing important files can be a stressful experience, but with the right tools, you can recover your lost data. The software we've covered today, Retrieval, EASUS Data Recovery Wizard, Stellar Data Recovery, Disk Drill, and Mini-Tool Power Data Recovery, all offer robust and user-friendly solutions for recovering lost files. So the next time you find yourself in a data loss situation, remember these tools and breathe easy. Your files aren't lost forever. With these tools, you can bring them back. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll cover file recovery methods for Mac. Until then, keep your data safe and sound.